This is real. You're about to start on a journey that bridges the gap between desire and reality. Manifestation isn't just a buzzword. It's a technique supported by both the testimonials of millions and insights from psychology. This video will equip you with a clear understanding of how to harness this powerful process, customize it to your needs, and start seeing results faster than you might expect. So let's dive into the fundamentals of manifestation, beginning with the very foundation, setting your intentions. Manifestation is a process that transforms your dreams into reality. At its core, manifestation is about clarity and focus, channeling your inner desires through thoughts and actions to bring them into the physical world. End footnote. Many believe that with the right mindset, you can manifest anything from financial success to improved relationships. But how does it work? It all begins with understanding the law that governs this process, the law of attraction. This law suggests that like attracts like, meaning positive thoughts will attract positive outcomes. But effective manifestation requires more than just positive thinking. It needs a precise framework and intentionality. Setting your intentions is perhaps the most crucial step in the manifestation process. An intention is like a map for your journey. It guides your thoughts and actions towards your desired destination. To set powerful intentions, you must be clear and specific about what you want to achieve. Begin by reflecting on your true desires, what you genuinely wish to attract into your life. Are you seeking a new career opportunity? Better health, a nurturing relationship? Once identified, articulate these desires into clear affirmative statements. For instance, instead of vaguely wishing for more happiness, your intention could be, I intend to find joy in daily activities and foster positive relationships that enrich my life. By specifying what happiness looks like to you, you provide your subconscious with a detailed description of what to work towards. Your intentions must be infused with your emotional and mental energy. Imagine how fulfilling it will feel to achieve your goals. Visualizing the outcome with intense emotion solidifies the intention in your mind, making it more potent. It's not just about stating what you want, it's about feeling the reality of what those achievements will bring to your life. It's essential to align your intentions with your values and reality. This alignment ensures that your goals are not only desirable, but also achievable and suited to your life's context. It involves acknowledging your current circumstances and setting intentions that stretch you, but remain within the realm of possibility. For example, if improving health is your goal, your intention could be, I intend to progressively increase my physical activity and choose nutritious foods to enhance my well-being. Remember that intentions are dynamic. They can evolve. Regularly revisit and, if necessary, refine your intentions to reflect your growing insights and changing circumstances. This practice keeps your goals relevant and your focus sharp, which is vital for maintaining momentum in your manifestation journey. The law of attraction is straightforward. It posits that like attracts like. In simpler terms, positive thoughts tend to bring positive results, and negative thoughts bring undesirable outcomes. The power of this law lies in its ability to shape our reality through our mindset and beliefs. If you believe in the possibility of achieving your goals, you set the stage for this to occur. The challenge and opportunity here involve cultivating a mindset that consistently aligns with your desires. To effectively use the law of attraction, begin by monitoring your thoughts. Your thoughts act as signals, broadcasting your desires to the universe. When your thoughts are consistently positive and focused on your goals, you create an environment conducive to achieving those goals. This doesn't mean ignoring the negative aspects of life, but rather choosing to focus on opportunities and solutions instead of problems. It's also vital to truly believe in your ability to achieve what you're manifesting. Doubt is a natural part of the human experience, but unchecked doubt can undermine your efforts. Strengthen your belief through affirmation and visualization, tools that reinforce the reality of your intention. Practicing these techniques helps solidify your belief and maintain a vibration that matches your desires, making it more likely for them to materialize. Visualization is a powerful technique in the manifestation process. It involves clearly imagining in your mind what you want to achieve, imagining the details of the outcome as vividly as possible. When you visualize, you're not just daydreaming about distant possibilities, you're actively constructing a vision of your desired future. Start by setting aside a few minutes each day to close your eyes and visualize your goals. Imagine yourself living the reality you wish to create. Imagine the scene with as much detail as you can. Where are you? Who might be around you? What are you doing? And most importantly, how do you feel? The emotional response you experience during visualization is a crucial element, as emotion is a strong signal that can amplify your manifesting ability. For visualization to be effective, consistency is key. Make it a daily ritual. The more frequently you visualize your goals, the clearer and more attainable they seem. This practice not only keeps you motivated, but also aligns your subconscious mind with your objectives, making you more receptive to opportunities that may arise and help achieve these goals. Affirmations are positive, specific statements that help you to overcome self-sabotaging negative thoughts. They are designed to alter your beliefs about yourself and the world in a way that supports your manifestation goals. When you repeat these statements often, they reinforce the visualizations you've been practicing and deepen your belief in the possibility of achieving your goals. To craft effective affirmations, focus on being positive, precise, and present. Start your affirmations with I am or I have, making them declarations of your reality as you see it in your future. For example, if your goal is to improve financial stability, you might use affirmations like, I am financially prosperous and secure, or I have abundant resources and financial freedom. These affirmations should be recited daily, ideally in the morning when your mind is clear, or at night as you wind down, to embed these thoughts deeply into your subconscious. The key to effective affirmations lies in repetition and emotional engagement. Feel the truth of your words as you say them, allowing yourself to experience the positive emotions associated with the outcomes. This emotional connection ensures that your affirmations are not just words, but catalysts for real change. While affirmations and visualization prepare the mental ground for manifestation, taking concrete actions towards your goals is equally crucial. Manifestation is not about wishing things into existence. It is about aligning your actions with your mental and emotional state to make your desires a reality. Begin by identifying small, manageable steps that move you closer to your goals. If your intention is to advance in your career, consider enrolling in a course that enhances your skills or volunteering for projects that increase your visibility in your organization. If health is your focus, start integrating regular exercise into your daily routine or adjusting your diet to include healthier choices. Each step you take should feel aligned with your overall intentions. It's not just about doing something for the sake of activity, it's about thoughtful action that supports your goals. This approach ensures that your physical efforts are harmonized with your mental and emotional states, creating a powerful synergy that propels you toward your desired outcomes. Every journey encounters obstacles, and the manifestation process is no exception. These obstacles can often appear as doubts, fears, or external circumstances that seem to block your path forward. The key to overcoming these barriers lies in recognizing them not as stop signs, but as opportunities for growth and reinforcement of your commitment to your goals. First, maintain a mindset that views these challenges as part of the manifestation process. This perspective helps you stay aligned with your goals even when faced with setbacks. When doubt creeps in, revisit your affirmations and the reasons behind your intentions. Remind yourself why you started this journey and the positive outcomes you are working toward. Practice resilience by staying flexible in your approach. If a particular strategy isn't working, be willing to adjust your plan. Flexibility doesn't mean giving up on your goals. It means being smart about finding more effective ways to achieve them. Keep learning and adapting, which in itself is a positive response to overcoming the challenges you face. Manifestation isn't usually instantaneous. It requires patience and an understanding that everything happens in its own time. The timing of results can vary widely depending on the nature of your goals and the effort you put in. Cultivating patience is critical to maintaining a positive state of mind and keeping stress and frustration at bay. Recognize that patience is not passive waiting. It's an active part of the manifestation process. Use this time to continue working on yourself, refining your skills, or expanding your knowledge. This active waiting helps keep you engaged and prevents stagnation, making you better prepared for when your desires do manifest. Trust in the timing of your life. Trust that things will come to you when you are ready to receive them, not necessarily when you want them. This trust can significantly reduce anxiety and allow you to focus more productively on the actions that move you closer to your goals. Gratitude is more than just saying thank you. It's a powerful tool that shifts your focus from what is lacking to what is abundant in your life. This shift in perspective not only improves your mood, but also aligns your vibration with the frequency of abundance, making you more receptive to receiving the blessings you are working towards. Start each day by listing 3 things you are grateful for. This practice sets a positive tone for the day, keeping your spirits high and your mind focused on the positive aspects of your life. It reinforces the belief that you are already blessed, which increases your expectation to receive more. Gratitude can be for simple joys, the warmth of the sun, a good meal, or progress in a project. The scale of gratitude is not as important as the sincerity behind the feeling. Being open to receiving is crucial. Often people focus so much on the act of wanting that they forget to allow themselves to receive. Being receptive means lowering your defenses and opening your heart to the possibilities that come your way. This openness can sometimes require you to step out of your comfort zone and accept opportunities that may initially seem daunting or outside your norm. In wrapping up our video through the powerful process of manifestation, we hope you found valuable insights and practical steps to start transforming your dreams into reality. Manifestation is not just about achieving goals. It's about growing along the way, accepting each moment, and living a life aligned with your deepest desires. If this video has resonated with you or sparked your interest, we encourage you to like, share, and subscribe for more content that aims to inspire and empower you. Your support means the world to us, and together we can make the journey of manifestation not just a possibility, but a reality. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you go.